Gemini Plus. NotebookLM is insane. You're wasting hours on presentations, copy pasting content, formatting slides, tweaking layouts. Meanwhile, there's a free tool that does it in 5 minutes, and nobody's talking about it. Hey, I'm Ava, and I'm going to show you something that could completely change how you create presentations. I'm talking about combining Google Gemini with NotebookLM. And no, this isn't another AI tool that promises everything and delivers nothing. This actually works, like really works. Let me show you how this works. Say you have a research paper on machine learning, dense, 40 pages, the kind of document that makes your eyes glaze over. You upload it to NotebookLM, hit the slide deck button, and in about 3 minutes, you have a full presentation. Not just bullet points, not just random slides, a complete professional-looking deck with visuals, structure, and everything organized perfectly. And here's what nobody tells you about this combo. NotebookLM just got upgraded to Gemini 3 in December. That's Google's newest and smartest model, the same one that's beating other AI tools on all the major tests. So you're getting cutting-edge AI technology completely free. But let me back up and explain what these tools actually are, because understanding this is key to using them, right? Google Gemini is Google's AI assistant. You've probably heard of it. It's their answer to ChatGPT. But here's where it gets interesting. Gemini comes in different versions. There's Gemini 3 Flash, which is super fast, and Gemini 3 Pro, which handles complex reasoning. These models can understand text, images, videos, and audio all at once. That multimodal capability is what makes the magic happen. Now, NotebookLM is different. It's Google's research assistant. You feed it documents, PDFs, websites, videos, whatever. In November, they added a slide deck feature powered by Nano Banana Pro. That's Google's image generation model. It creates professional-looking slides with custom visuals automatically. Let me walk you through exactly how this works. Step 1 is research with Gemini. You can ask Gemini to research any topic. It searches the web, pulls current information, and gives you comprehensive answers. The Gemini 3 models have a massive context window. That means they can process up to 1 million tokens at once. In normal language, that's like 1,500 pages of text, so you can feed it entire books, multiple research papers, or huge data sets. Here's how it works. You could ask Gemini to research any topic, like the latest developments in renewable energy storage. It searches the web, pulls current information, and gives you comprehensive answers. Battery technology advances, grid-scale storage solutions, recent breakthroughs from research labs, all current, all accurate. Because Gemini can search the web in real time. Now here's where people mess up. They stop there. They copy-paste Gemini's response and try to turn it into slides manually. Don't do that. That's the old way, the slow way. Instead, you take that research and move to step 2, organizing in NotebookLM. Open NotebookLM. Create a new notebook. And here's where it gets cool. You can add sources in so many ways. Upload PDFs, paste URLs, add Google Docs, even YouTube videos if they have transcripts. NotebookLM analyzes all of it. And now with Gemini 3 running under the hood, it understands your content at a deeper level. Let me tell you about something that helps with learning all these AI workflows. There's this community called AI Profit Boardroom. 1,800 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It teaches which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in description. Back to the workflow. Once your sources are in NotebookLM, you move to step 3, building slide structures. This is where NotebookLM shines. In the studio panel on the right side, you'll see all these options: audio overview, video overview, mind maps, flashcards, and the one we want, slide deck. Click slide deck, and before you generate, you can customize. This is important. Don't just hit generate and hope for the best. Use the customization options. You can choose between 2 formats, detailed deck or presenter slides. Detailed deck gives you full text on every slide, good for sending via email or reading on its own. Presenter slides are cleaner, visual, with key talking points, perfect if you're actually presenting. You can select the output language, choose the length, short, default, or long. And here's the powerful part, you can add a custom prompt. Tell it exactly what you want. Be specific. Try something like this. Create a deck for business executives using a clean professional style with a focus on actionable insights. Or maybe, make a presentation for students using bold, colorful visuals with step-by-step explanations. The more specific you are, the better the output. Because NotebookLM uses your prompt to guide everything. The tone, the structure, the visual style, all of it. Hit generate. NotebookLM works in the background while you keep using your notebook. Usually takes 3 to 5 minutes. When it's done, you get a complete presentation with title slide, content slides, conclusion, and custom visuals on every page generated by Nano Banana Pro. You can view the slides in NotebookLM, start a slideshow to present, or download as PDF to share. You're not stuck with what it generates. Generate again with different prompts. Give feedback and regenerate. Create multiple versions and compare. Here's an example of what you could do. Upload 3 different company reports for a competitor analysis. Ask NotebookLM to compare their strategies. It creates an infographic showing the differences. Then use that same notebook to generate a slide deck. The deck would have comparison tables, visual representations of market share, strategic recommendations, all from the sources you provided. No hallucinations, no made-up data, just accurate information from your documents. That's a huge advantage over other AI tools. NotebookLM only uses what you give it. It doesn't search the internet and add random information. If it's in your slides, it came from your sources. That means you can trust it. Now, let me talk about the best tools for slide design because NotebookLM creates the foundation, but you might want to polish things. NotebookLM exports as PDF. That's perfect for sharing. But if you need to edit individual slides, you'll want to copy content into Google Slides or PowerPoint. Here's the process. Download the PDF from NotebookLM. Open it. Identify the slides you love. Recreate those in Google Slides with your company branding. Or if you need speed, just use the PDF as is. For most use cases, the PDF works fine, especially for internal presentations, team meetings, client updates, training materials. The time you save by not building from scratch is massive. Now, people always ask, how does this compare to ChatGPT? Good question. Let me break it down. ChatGPT is great for conversation and creative writing, but for presentations specifically, the Gemini and NotebookLM combo wins. First, NotebookLM has a dedicated slide feature that creates complete decks with visuals automatically. ChatGPT gives you text that you format manually. Second, NotebookLM grounds everything in your sources. No hallucinations. ChatGPT can make up facts. With NotebookLM, if it's on a slide, it came from your documents. Third, Gemini 3 handles up to 1 million tokens, way more context than ChatGPT in most cases. Process entire books or multiple research papers at once. Fourth, it's completely free. ChatGPT Plus costs $20 a month. Now, don't get me wrong, ChatGPT is powerful. It's great for code, creative writing, brainstorming, but specifically for building presentations from research, Gemini plus NotebookLM is the better workflow. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 1,800 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working, what's not, which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip, no hype, just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. Link in description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Here's the bottom line. You can keep building presentations the old way. Hours of formatting, searching for images, organizing manually, or use this workflow. 5 minutes instead of 5 hours. The tools are free. The process is simple. The results are professional. Try it yourself. Pick a project, upload to NotebookLM. Generate slides, see what happens. That's it for this one. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more AI workflows that actually work, and drop a comment telling me what you want to see next. I'm Ava, and I'll see you in the next video.